Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to record your phone screen. So let's start. First open the Google Play Store and search for X Recorder app. This app is made by InShot and is completely free. So download it and open it. Now you have to allow permissions. Tap Allow and allow permission. Now this is your home screen of the app. Here you can see I have recorded many screens with this app. Now if you look at the big red button, there is a timer since I am recording a video right now. There will be a record button for you. Tap on that and start screen recording right away. Now if you swipe down the notification bar, you can access your recorder app from here. You will also find a record button. And with this app, you can record your screen for free. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.